Want to improve your fashion sketching skills? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to draw a stylish fashion model step by step using only a pencil. Whether you are a beginner in fashion design or looking to refine your illustration techniques, this video will help you master figure drawing, proportions, and outfit rendering in a simple and effective way.